Good afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, sir. Excuse me. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Ismawati. I'm 23 years old. I'm Muslim. I come from Sumbawa, NTB of Indonesia. My last education, junior high school. I'm married. I have one daughter, 4 years old. My height is 162 cm. My weight is 82 kg. I have working experience before in Sumbawa. 2 years from 2022 until 2024. My job is housekeeping, cooking, ironing, washing, and take care children sometimes. I can cook simple Indonesian food, for example, fried rice, fried noodle, chicken soup, vegetable soup, and pecel. I'm not afraid of dog. I want to go to Singapore because I need more money for help my family and my children's future. I promise working in Singapore until finish contract 2 years or more. I finish introduce myself to you, ma'am, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. See you in Singapore.